in a learning for all culture. When there's students who haven't learned, it's not enough to just say, well, here are the reasons why they didn't learn. We got to believe that there's another answer in the room and be open to that. And that's a form of submission. And it's one where you have to move your ego out of the way because, on some levels, as a teammate said earlier, we might see it as a threat when I've tried everything with Eric and I'm not breaking through, and I walk into the staff lounge and my pocket's pulled inside out and I've tried everything I know, and I let you guys know I've tried everything with Eric and he's still struggling. I can't reach him. He's doing this, he's doing that. In an unhealthy culture, what that really means, like the message behind the message, really means I've tried everything, and if any one of you come up with a suggestion, what it really is going to tell me is that you think I'm a bad teacher, so don't do it. So then you kind of swallow that thing like. In a healthy culture, when you come in exasperated or you go to your team meeting exasperated, your pockets are pulled inside out, you're sending a message like, I need something. Who's got something? Who else knows something? Because as you move and, you being transparent the way you've been toward that healthy culture, you're going to understand that you won't care where the answer comes from. You just want the answer.